The Daily Star, 20 August 2024. All city mayors removed. Mayor of 330 municipalities, chief of Jila, Upojila Parishad among 1,873 representatives voted out. Administrator replaced them. Dipumoni arrested in Baridhara DOHS. S. Alam Group Associates, Taka 95,000 crore loans taken from 6 banks. Why scrapping of caretaker systems not unconstitutional? High Court issue rule on 15th Amendment. ACC, that means Anti-Corruption Commission, to investigate 41 ex-ministers MPs. Khaleda's bank accounts unfrozen after 17 years. Page number 2. West Bengal CID submit charge sheet on Azim murder. Family of 4 meets tragic end on road. Page number 3. Improving law and order now main challenge, says Home Advisor. Support interim government to bring stability. Fokruls urges partyman. EU expresses willingness to help recover laundered money. Shoot 6 times. Amir lives to tell his tale. 18-year-old shot by the police while hanging from Rampura building escapes dead. End political dominance, bring reforms in higher Eden, demands University Teachers Network. DMP suspends COP for gagging student. Here gagging means মুখ চাপিয়ে ধরা বা মৌখিক বা কণ্ঠরোধ করা, gagging. Housing project in Rangonia, environmental clearance cancelled. Office of East West Media Group vandalized. Vandalized মানে হচ্ছে ধুলিসাৎ করে দেয়া, এরকম কিছু বোঝায় vandalized. Vandalized means ভাঙচুর করা. Page number 4. Dhaka College committee formed to probe idol vandalism. Probe means inquiry. Probe means inquiry বা পরীক্ষা করা, অনুসন্ধান করা. Prop. Page number 5. Chittagong areas waterlogged as rain cleaning stalls. Suspension of CCC activities. Withdraw VAT taxes on private university, demands BSPUA. Abdul Muid new Biman chairman. Remove top health officials, protester. Page number 6. Arts and entertainment. I stepped out to witness the people's victory, Mejavan Chaudhary. Faruqi demands reform in the censorship system. Sri Lanka defense diplomat fined for exploitation in Australia. Exploitation means শোষণ করা, শোষণ. Page number 7. International. Hezbollah claims attacks on North Israel, says 2 of its fighters killed. Here's a news. Kolkata High Court advocates hold posters during a protest to condemn the rape and murder of doctor in Kolkata, West Bengal, India yesterday. Thousands of outraged Indian protesters, including ARC rival football fans, call for justice after the rape and murder of the doctor as widespread strikes by healthcare workers entered a second week. Here is the word condemn. Condemn means নিন্দা করা, শাস্তি দেয়া, দোষারোপ করা. Condemn means দোষারোপ করা. And thousands of outrage. Outrage means ক্ষুব্ধ, অপমান করা. Outrage অপমান করা বা ক্ষুব্ধ. আমরা বলতে পারি thousands of outraged Indian protesters, অর্থাৎ হাজার হাজার ক্ষুব্ধ প্রতিবাদী, ভারতীয় প্রতিবাদী, তারা হচ্ছে জাস্টিস চেয়েছে, জাস্টিস ফর আবায়া। ইউক্রেন অ্যাচিভিং আওয়ার গোলস ইন কোর্স্ক অ্যাসল্ট। অ্যাসল্ট মিন্স লাঞ্ছনা, হামলা। Paramilitary officer killed in India's J&K. Biden to pass torch to Harris. Modi to visit Ukraine on August 23. Philippines, South China trade blame after vessel collide. South China Sea row. সাউথ চায়না সি নিয়ে আমরা জানি চায়নার সাথে বেশ কিছু দেশের ঝামেলা চলছে। Bring discipline back in civil admin. Energy reforms are long overdue. The darkest hour. Manzoor Al-Matin, I, who always thought it wise to stay out of the political binary, decided the time for patience and silence was over. As I stepped out of our apartment the next day, I found my wife Shara and my friend Snehardri by my side. I was certain of one thing: if we did not go out and protest, the next child to receive a bullet in his chest would be mine. Fahmida Khatun বলেছে, how a banking commission can address challenges in the sector. We'll discuss the topic later. After the euphoria, the concern. Here is the word euphoria means রমরমা, কুশল বা আনন্দ চঞ্চল অবস্থা। Any VC or teacher is expected to stand by students. Page number 10. How international investment and local innovations shape our startup ecosystem. The art of embracing feedback for self-improvement. Shikho was blacklisted from the government funding, says CEO. Page number 14. SPO. We have all our bases covered against Pakistan. Page number 12. Internet blackout had no legal basis, says legal experts. To fulfill the political interests of the former government, BTRC was forced several times to shut down telecommunication networks by the former state minister. BTRC. Hasina faced